Is there any doubt in derivation, chain rule, product rule, quotient rule? Please discuss if you have any doubt. You have 5 minutes to discuss. Then we will proceed with integration. And please use your mic rather than chat box. Mehak, Aniket, Disha, Abhishek, if you have any, please discuss.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, Bhavya, you raise your hand. Is there any doubt, Bhavya? So the next concept that we will utilize in solving various numerical is integration. Integration is a word that derived from the word integrate. Integrate means collection, how to collect, or how to find out the net value by using individual value. For integration, this is a sign of integration. It's a sign for integration. To represent integration, we will use this. Integration is quite opposite to that of derivative. In derivative, we just subtract 1 from the power, but in integration, we will increase the power by 1. In derivative, we multiply the term, we multiply the given function with the power, and in this, we will divide the given function with the power plus 1 factor. dy by dx represent derivative, and in this, integrate function is represented as dy is equal to any function into dx. dy is equal to any function integrate of any function into dx. Integration is of two types. First is definite integrate, and second one is indefinite integrate. We will solve both of these, the indefinite integration as well as definite integration. The difference is in definite integration you have the power lower limit as well as upper limit up to which a function is increased. In definite integration you have a power, you have a limit up to which a function can be increased from lower one to the upper one. And in indefinite integrate, you have unlimited function. So today we will start with first indefinite and then we will move to definite. It is quite simple. Only two types are there. First is solving simple integration. Then is solving by using islet function. So only two methods are there to solve definite integrate and indefinite integrate. And in your grade 12, you have a full-fledged chapter on this. And its score, I think its weightage is near about 15 to 17 marks. So please consider it. Here today we will discuss some basic steps of integrate. Then in your grade 12 or in your BTech, when you will go for the mathematics for engineer or engineering mathematics, then you will do the advanced level. So let's start with a very basic integration. First is for the indefinite. Now the formula is, suppose you have dy function x and dx. Integrate of dy, integrate of x and dx. Now, with the integrate of dy, dy will convert into y. And over here, x as it is, its power is n, so n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So, this is the integration of x raised to power n. If you have dy, integrate dy is equal to integrate x and dx, then xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c is its integration. Now, c is any constant and you have to apply it in every question, especially for the definite integral. Wherever you find the question for the definite integral, after find the integration, just put C there. C is any constant. So let's start with some question. Suppose T by A, you are given with T by x raised to power minus 6 dx. T by is equal to x raised to power minus 6 dx, and we are to calculate its integrate. Then dy x minus 6 dx. Y will be, dy will be y over here x minus 6 plus 1 minus 6 plus 1 plus c. Y is x raised to power minus 5 minus 5 plus. So this is the integration for dy function. Is that clear? Clear or any discussion required? Disha, Kiran, Mahek, Parmeet, Prachi, Hartaj. Is it clear to you or no? Now, if you have y is equal to 6 dx. Now, dy is 6 into dx. 6 is a constant, not a variable. So, we will have dy integrate 6 x raised to power 0 dx. So, y 6 x raised to power 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus c. So, this is 6x plus c. So integration of constant term is x. On the contrary of derivative, the derivation or the derivative of constant term is always 0. But in integration, derivative of constant term is x. Derivative of constant term is x. Fine. Integrate of 3x7 plus 4x 3 by 2 plus 6 into d. Find integration of 3x7, 4x 3 by 2 plus 6 dx. So what we will do first, sign of integration by 3x7 dx plus 4x 3 by 2 dx plus 6 dx. This will be 3 as it is, power 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 plus power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. And for the last, 6x. So the final answer will be 3x 8 by 8 plus 5 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. 8 by 5 x raised to power 5 by 2 plus 6x plus c. So this is the final answer for the integration. Math clear? Tomorrow onwards, there will be no group chat. So please arrange mic for yourself. You must have headphone for mobile. Please utilize that. The next one is find integration of x square plus 3 whole square. Find integration for x square plus 3. So in this, first we will apply a basic formula of algebra a plus b whole square. So this will be x4 plus 9 plus 6 x square Then integrate y x4 dx, integrate 9 dx, integrate 6x square dx integrate. Clear with these terms? So this will be x 5 by 5 plus 9x, 6x 3 by 3 plus c. We will have x 5 by 5 plus 2x cubed plus 9x plus c. This is the required integrate for the given function, which is the required integrate for the given function. Any doubt? Find derivative of dy is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube. Okay. Here, x plus 1 by x. Here. Find derivative of x plus 1 by x whole cube. Now find integration of dy is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube. Keep in your mind, the integration of 1 by x is always log x. Solve this equation. Please note down. Any doubt? Probably your answer is same. Prachi, Abhishek, Mahek, Disha. Okay. Tomorrow we will have two classes. So in first class, I will give you some formula for this integration second type. And for the second class, you will have some questions for the practice. Only one class will be Zoom. Another one will be like WhatsApp class, non-virtual class. You can solve your questions and discuss your queries. For me, last three is wrong. There will be 3 log x. Please note it down. We will have 3 by x. 3 by x. One integration of 1 by x is log x. So we will write it as 3 log x plus c. You can see over here 3 log x plus c. So if there is any doubt in mathematical tools, with please discuss. Is there any doubt? Please. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.